Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's January 18th, 2025, and it's about 10:30, and it's about 28 degrees out here. Get the water going and top off these dishes. Broke the ice in the ones that still have water. My little pig's trying to get out. She's got some oats and some hay, but she wants some special grain. She thinks she's special. So he's wanting something. Well, Harold, he's a pretty good pig. Yeah, another cold day. Start off with the sun shining this morning, and then all these clouds rolled in the dark. Now, can't wait until spring.